the comfort of the door, no roof to call their own. Bare feet bleed on burning roads, yet still they walk alone. No riches tied around their waist, no pride to guard the soul. They traded ease for human pain so peace could take control. Empty bowls but hearts awake, hungry bodies, vows unbroken. In silence, the strongest words are never spoken. They walk for peace, they pay the price with flesh and faith, with breath and life. Barefoot souls on concrete stone, sleeping where the dead have gone. No bed, no home, no promise made, just truth beneath the night and day. They give their body, give their soul, so peace may reach the world.
Sidewalk cold beneath their heads, cemeteries calm and still. They rest beside forgotten names to learn what matters still.
A handful of food, a sip of grace, enough to face another dawn. They rise again before the sun and quietly move on. No anger carried in their hands, no curse upon the land. Only footsteps teaching us what strength really demands. They walk for peace, they pay the price with flesh and faith, with breath and life. Barefoot souls on concrete stone, sleeping where the dead have gone. No bed, no home, no promise made, just truth beneath the night and day. They give their body, give their soul, so peace may reach the world. If peace were easy, everyone would choose it. If peace were loud, it wouldn't need faith. But peace is heavy, so they carry it for us. They walk for peace, no turning back, through hunger, pain, through aching tracks. No medal waits, no crown above, only discipline, only love. When history forgets their name, the road will still remember them, because the world keeps breathing on their sacrifice. Their sacrifice for peace, for the world.
Barefoot,
Hungry,
unseen,
still walking,
still walking.
for the world.
Mindfulness is the key right here. When you have mindfulness, you know how to love the others. You know how to listen to the others. You know how to feel the others. And you know how to care for the others, love the others, so on. Is that right? Without mindfulness, we won't be able to do all these. It's because our mind is full of thoughts every second. See? So if we pay fully attention to my talk, then he wouldn't exist. But you pay attention to him, you won't hear me talk. That is the truth. That is how our minds work, because the mind can only take one object at a time. Either this or this. If you see him, you don't hear me. If you hear me, you don't see him. That is how our concentration works. And that is why I show you the key how to be mindful, how to practice mindfulness, to bring our concentration back to this present moment. This present moment is me talking. Is that right?
Yeah.